Welcome to our guide on using effects in your Facebook posts. Let's dive into the steps. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Select the camera icon to begin crafting your post with a photo or video. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose one from your gallery. Once you have your media ready, tap on the magic wand icon to explore a variety of effects. Within the effects menu, you'll find options like filters, masks, and interactive digital experiences to enhance your post. After choosing an effect, you can fine-tune its intensity and placement to suit your preferences. Once you're happy with the effect, proceed to post your content as usual. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use effects in your Facebook posts. Get creative and make your posts more engaging by incorporating these fun and visually appealing effects.